The Bari Police achieved a major breakthrough in the early hours of Wednesday by arresting a youth in possession of an illegal firearm during a routine security check. During a subsequent search of the individual, police personnel recovered a pistol concealed on his person. Somen Shil, a resident of the Barpathari area, was immediately taken into custody. At approximately dawn on Wednesday, officers from the Bari Police station were conducting a Naga checking in front of the station. A motorcyclist, identified as Somen Shil, was signaled to stop after his behavior appeared suspicious. During a subsequent search of the individual, police personnel recovered a pistol concealed on his person. Somen Shil, a resident of the Barpathari area, was immediately taken into custody. Following the arrest, the police conducted an intensive interrogation of the suspect. Based on the leads provided by Somen, the police launched a follow-up operation in the Kaptali area under the Rajnagar Assembly constituency. This led to the detention of a second individual identified as Prosenjit Das. Police sources suspect that Prosenjit had handed over the firearm to Somen, who was reportedly transporting it to his home in Barpathari when he was intercepted. A case has been registered against Somen Shil under the Arms Act. Both suspects are currently being interrogated at the Bari Police station to determine the source of the weapon and whether they are linked to a larger criminal network or plan illegal activities. Your report, Chini Khorang.